Excuse me, can you tell me what the unemployment rate is on board? Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today we're going to be talking about really silly questions that passengers ask crew members on a cruise ship. So yeah, if you want to laugh, then stay tuned. But before we start, I just want to remind you to click like and subscribe for some more cruise ship content, but let's get into it. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about some really stupid people. No, just people with no logic, it's fine. So, when we go on holiday, we tend to leave our brains at home. I've done it. I have totally been guilty of this. I've left my brain here, gone on holiday, and just been so ditzy. And yeah, so passengers do this as well. They leave their brain at home, but obviously, as a crew member, when your brain is switched on, most of the time, these questions seem really dumb. But this video is in no way supposed to be mean or offend anyone. If you are one of the people that have asked one of the questions that I am going to mention, then just learn to laugh at yourself because I am laughing with you. What religion are all the crew members? All different fucking religions. We're from all over the world. Excuse me. Can you tell me where I can find the plank? Okay. Oh, sir, you're funny. Oh, we don't have one on this ship. This woman came up to me and she was like, hi, I'm looking for my cabin. And I said, oh yeah, no problem. It's on deck, whatever. You just need to take these lifts or take the stairs. And she was like, well, do the lifts go to the back of the ship? I'm like, yeah, so there are lifts at the back of the ship. So if you want to walk to the back of the ship, then you can take those lifts up. She was like, oh, these lifts don't go to the back of the ship. I'm like, I mean, I didn't know we had horizontal lifts, but by all means, try it out. Can you get off the cruise ship? Yes, I'm not in prison. Do you live on the cruise ship? No, actually, I live at home and I just take my private jet home and then get back in time for work in the morning. Do you eat on the ship? Well, I'm a human last time I checked and I need food to survive and I live here, so yes. Why is the weather so bad? You know what? I don't know. Let me call God and ask him for you. You know I got the good customer service. When are the whales coming? Well, I mean, we keep them in a big net at the back of the ship, so really whenever the captain decides to release them. I don't know. They're wild animals. When they want to come. Do they have lifeboats for the crew as well? Well, I fucking hope so. Otherwise we're going to have another Titanic situation. Actually, a little bit of trivia for you. It was from the Titanic disaster that they thought, actually, you know what? It would be a good idea to have enough lifeboats on ships for everyone on board. Because before that, it was actually quite common not to have enough lifeboats on board ships. So on my last ship, I worked, my little shop was right next to the women's loos. I know, ultra glamorous location. So it happened a few times that like a woman would go into the toilet and then come back out straight away. And because I was the first crew member that they saw, they were like, the loos are broken, they're all locked. I'm just gonna take a shot in the dark here, but maybe people are using them. I worked in the perfume shop on my last ship and the most asked question by far was, is this a tester? Well, it's wrapped in cellophane and it has a price tag on it, so I'm gonna say no. Is this free? When have you ever gone shopping and got something for nothing? No, babe, it's not free. I really wish I could give it to you for free, but I can't. It's not free. Also, this is not a question, but a lot of people would spray perfume in their mouth. I'm not joking, like literally, you're obviously meant to come in, use the testers that are testers and like spray the perfume on your skin, see if you like it. People would legit spray the perfume in their mouth and then tell me that they didn't like it. I'm like, no shit, Sherlock. I don't think I'd like it if I sprayed it in my mouth either. Oh my God, there's the perfume girl, Okay, what perfume do I like? Well, I've never met you before, so I don't know. I'm allergic to all makeup, but I want you to help me find some makeup. Any particular ingredient that you're allergic to, or? Excuse me, can you tell me what the unemployment rate is on board? What? So, as a crew member, you know, you're on here for like 6 months, and can you bring your pets on board? No, I wish, but no. Is stealing illegal on board? Yes. Oh my God, you know what? My sister's niece's friend works on cruise ships. She's called Sally. Do you know her? I mean, there's literally millions of people that work on cruise ships, so I'm gonna say probably not. Oh my God, can you believe these questions? They are mental, but they certainly made my day a little bit brighter on board. And I also hope they made your day a little bit brighter. But if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments down below, and also hit that notification bell, because in the next video, I'm going to be talking about outrageous things that passengers do. And believe me, this video was the tip of the iceberg, so you are definitely not going to want to miss that. But while you wait for that video, check out these 2 videos here, and I will see you in the next one. But thank you so much for watching. Mwah!